Hey guys, welcome to the Hamster channel. Today I'll be showing you how to work Zoom. So first, of course, you want to type Zoom in, then you press the first link. Then it would take you to the screen right here. I'll be talking about the plans and pricing first. So I'll be using the basic free one that's just personally meeting and stuff, and it's limited, and there's other ones that you can spend money on, and the ones that you can spend more money on has more features. And yeah, here you want to sign up first, and you could sign up for free by using your work address if you have one or something, or you can sign up in a different way. I'll be using my Google account. Click here. And it will take you to here. So here we have your personal things, that you have your profile. I will be not showing you that. So this is the meeting you already have right now, and this webinaries and your recordings, which you could record during the meeting, and that's all your recordings and stuff. And here is your settings for it, your settings for your Zoom meeting. I will just go to the meeting. And here you have upcoming meetings, like the meetings that you it's coming up. Here's the previous meeting that you went to, and here's your personally meeting room. And here is your meeting templates, which I have none. Here you can schedule a meeting. You can make a meeting, and so you just type in your topic or name, and you get your description, and this is optional if you want to do it. And here is when you could join, and the day and the time. And here the basic meeting plan has only 40-minute limit, so that's the time for it, and that's your time zone, and more setting things to schedule a meeting, and then you can save when you're done. Here you could join a meeting. You could join a meeting by the ID. You just type your ID in. It should be numbers, and your personal link name. And here is your host meeting. Here is host meeting, and you could with video on, video off, or screen share only. So yeah, I will be using this with video on. Just press it, and oh my gosh, sorry. And here so you click here, which says download and run Zoom, to download it, but I already downloaded the Zoom app, and so I would just be pressing open Zoom meeting, and it should be opening your Zoom. And oh my, sorry about this, but I will just be changing that. Just a sec. So that's the Zoom meeting thing. And here, oh my gosh, sorry. Here you can mute yourself. You just mute yourself, and if you press these controls, you can unmute or yeah. And here is your stop video, stop sharing your screen or something, and you just show your screen. And of course, there's more settings here you have, and that's just the virtual thing. This is the mirror my video, and the green screen. If you have a green screen at home, it would be much easier. This is my background right now. If you have a green screen, the one that actually appeared, it would just look like this. Yeah. Oh my gosh. But I do not have a green screen, so I would just do this, and and you can also upload pictures, and here is your like local recording, and you could like add like things to like sure. And oh yeah, here in the rotation, like rotate 90 degrees, it would just rotate you. I'm upside down. Here you just rotate yourself, and that's the side, and when you're done you just press that. Here's like the security. Here's security. You can like chat, and you just you can chat, and you can rename yourself, and you can share your screen. And that's your participations. Sorry, can't say it. I cannot pronounce it for some reason. Here you could invite more people to your Google meeting. You could send them the meeting code, like copy the URL, copy invitation, or you could send them by email. Here you can mute yourself, like you can mute it here too, and you could also like there's more settings for you, and this is mute. You can mute all of the people if you have more people in here, and here is unmute all, and there's some settings here too, and here is like to share screen. So that's like the share screen. You could like, this is the whiteboard. You could share whiteboard, which you could like write. Like for example, I'd be showing you. You could just like draw something here, clear all my drawings, and that's like basically that's like spotlight. Oh gosh, and you could just press this. It's done. You can like also you can share your iPad or like iPhone, or like there's any other tabs you could share, and this is evident. So you could like share a portion of your screen, or you could only share your music or computer sound, or like content from second camera, which I don't know what that is, but like, oh yeah, there's also files. Sorry guys. You can like share with your like Google Drive or like something like that. And when you press here, you can record. So like when you record, it will like record it and save it for you, and you could just record everything that person said if you're like starting a video call. And 1 second. Hi, I'm back. Sorry about that, but like here you can stop recording, or like pause your recording. You just pause it, and you just like stop the recording, and it would just like convert it for you, like save like the file for you. Then here you could like for your reactions, you could clap there, and it would just like appear here, and there's also like thumbs up here, and that's like that's all the like things for here. Then you could end all meetings. Or like leave the meeting. So I'd be ending all the meetings. And here, that's just saving your meeting recording that you recorded. It just like loads for you, or you could stop like converting. I'll be stopping the convert. Oh, never mind. Never mind. It would just save it here, and when you're done, like the Google meeting, it would just spawn here. You can like do more things here too. Like it's kind of like the same new meeting. You could join, you could schedule, and you could like share your screen, and that's like the chat. This is like a chat. You can like make groups. Like you just start a new chat, and just like write your message here, like to everyone, or like just like and you can add screenshots too. There's also meetings, like upcoming, recorded, your contacts. That's basically all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and please be happy. Bye.